Hello all, welcome back. So this video is all about our trip to Coorg. We have been thinking to go to this Coorg from a very long time, but it never happened. So on Friday we randomly decided that we will be going to Coorg, and we made it without any plans. So as soon as we reached Coorg, we asked some of the local people there to help us with some good homestays, and this was their suggestion. And honestly, it is the best, I must say, because this homestay is very close to jungle. One could really enjoy the nature here. The owner of this homestay has her own coffee estates and farming lands. She was very kind, and she asked us to just go and check in here at the property. Also, we were too tired of all the traveling, so we decided to go for an evening walk. And this is the property. I really enjoyed the calmness here, and this is the sunset view from the property. Look at the greenery. So once it's done, we headed back to our room. We were already too tired, so we just had our dinner and slept, and started the next day without any plans again. So on the way, we found this golf court, and we thought of going in and see it. Honestly, this is my first time watching someone play golf, and I find this game so interesting. And yep, that's a wrap. After this, we decided to go and see Abbey Falls. And this is the views in between, and this is Abbey Waterfalls. After the Abbey Waterfalls, we headed back to our homestay for lunch. We asked the lady to cook the food for us, and I quite enjoyed her food. It was so delicious. So after having a good meal, we went to check out her garden where she grows all her vegetables, and I, being a plant lover, I loved her garden. So this is the place, and in the evening we decided to go to Raja Seat for the sunset viewpoint. So this is the viewpoint there. And after having a good day, we had our own fire camp with some good music and had our best time there. The next day, we decided to go to the Mandalpati viewpoint, and this is the view. We went back to our homestay because the owner wants to show her coffee estate and all the farming land. And I, being a coffee lover, I was too excited to see how the coffee beans and everything, the process. So these are the coffee beans, and this is the way to go to the coffee estate. Okay, so say hi to these two cute dogs named Pinky and Chintu. It was so cute. Look at them posing in this beautiful coffee estate. After this, we decided to go to the Dubai elephant camp. These cages are one of the most cutest on earth. And that's a wrap to our Coorg trip. It was so hard to say goodbye to these two buddies. And that's it for this vlog. I hope you really liked watching this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.